What up, friends? I am Sweet Shard, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a flat felled seam. A flat felled seam is basically a seam that is pushed over to the side, overlapped, and stitched down for reinforcement. You can see it mainly on men's clothing, but you can definitely find it on your jeans. Take a look, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Let's get started. This is everything you need for this project. To get started, we're just gonna do a regular straight stitch by pinning our right sides together all the way down. If you have lines the way that I do, a really good thing to do that'll help you is just to make sure you pin on both sides. Get your lines lined up with your pin. So you can see it's lined up on this side and lined up on that side. You definitely know your lines are going to be matching, so when you run your stitch down through it, it's gonna be fine. So we're all pinned up and we're gonna give it one straight stitch all the way down using 5/8 of a seam allowance. All right, now we're done. Oh, and can we just discuss? We are ready to press, so we're gonna press our seams to one side. We want to get the seams pushed over to the side so that we can overlap one side around the other. Also, there is a difference between ironing and pressing. Pressing is simply to just press the iron onto your fabric and let it hold in place. We're done pressing now, and as you can see, everything is flat to one side. What we're going to do is open this up, and we're gonna trim this seam down a little bit. Now you can do this to either side, it doesn't matter. You don't have to press to this side, you can press to the other side if you want. But whatever side you press to, we're going to trim the underneath. So we're trimmed up. What we're then going to do is fold it over. Fold it once and fold it twice. Okay, so this is what we're trying to accomplish all the way down. We want it to look like that. Then take some pins and just pin them in place. All right, so we're all folded and pinned, and now we're gonna go back to the sewing machine and we're gonna stitch down right at the edge of the fold. And don't forget to backstitch. We're gonna trim off our excess threads. Here's the final product. It's nice and sturdy. Comment below and let me know what you use your flat felled seams on. Don't forget to subscribe to Coral TV and turn on your notifications. See you next time. Did you click it? Click it. Come on, you know you wanna watch it. Click, click. Oh, and Coral TV DIYs, hey. Click that, because you know you like DIYs. Come on, click it.